What's going on, y'all? This is Quan from Be Fit Nominal. In this video, I'm going to give you a 3-day workout split program. So it's going to show you for men specifically on how to build your upper body strength. I know for men, it's very important to build those biceps or triceps just to have an overall better looking physique. I know a lot of people skip the leg day, and this is for people who want to have a better chest, better arms, better back, all that stuff. So this is a proven method that I use for my clients as well as myself. So it's going to be a 3-day program. I'll put all the workouts in the description, so if you just want to go to the gym and take this program and actually use it, it will be a lot easier. But I'm going to break down each workout, what you're supposed to do on each day. So we're going to do a 3-day split. Let's get right into it. Alright, so before we get into it, if you like content like this, I have a bunch of videos on my channel, so make sure you go back to check those out. If you like them, make sure you click that button and subscribe. Alright, let's go. Alright, so let's go over day one. So it's a 3-day split. I'm just going to say it's going to be Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but you can literally do Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. It doesn't matter, but just make sure you take a day rest in between. That way you can recover and build those muscles up more efficiently. So what we're going to do on day one is going to be chest and shoulders. All right. So each of these exercises are going to be 3 to 4 sets per exercise. And I'm going to break down exactly what that's going to look like. So the first thing that you're going to do on the chest and the shoulders is you're going to do a bench press. Right? Make sure you use the barbell bench press. Don't use the Smith machine. Try to use free weights. The free weights just kind of activate more muscles, and it's just a little bit more harder on your body. And that's what you want if you want to build muscle. So use the free weights. So you're going to do 10 chest press. So whatever weight you want to actually use, do 10, and then after that, do 20 push-ups. All right. The only catch is after you do one set, the next set I want you to increase your weight. So if you start off with 45s, maybe put on 10 pounds or maybe put on 5. All right, so increase your weight each time. So you're going to do this, repeat this same process at least 3 to 4 different sets. So 10 bench press, 20 push-ups, and then repeat that process over and over. All right, 3 or 4 sets. After this, you're going to go to a seated dumbbell press. Alright, so this is really going to activate your shoulders. So you're going to sit down, have your back against the wall or the back against the seat, and then you're going to do 15 reps. Alright, same as a bench press. If you start off with 30 pounds doing the dumbbell shoulder press, I want you to go up to 35 or go up to 40. So you're going to increase your reps. So you're going to pyramid. So each exercise that we do on Monday, on the first day, we're going to keep increasing our weight. Alright. Your rest period should be about 15 to 20 seconds, not much longer than that. We want to be working, we want to be getting through this. Excuse me. After this, we're going to go into lat raises. So lateral raises are going to be working out your deltoids. So what you're going to do, when you do lateral raises, it's not about the weight. A lot of people, when they go to the gym, the ego gets involved, and then they're like, all right, I want to, lift a bunch of weight. I see somebody on the next to me lifting 20 pounds. I want to try that. Make sure you lift the weight that you can actually control and that you can actually have good form. And that's what's actually going to accelerate your results. So when you're doing the lateral raises, we're only going to do 10 reps, but this is going to be 3 to 4 sets. Same thing. Increase your weight each time. So if you're starting off with 10, maybe go to 12 and then go to 15. All right. This program, in order for it to effectively work, you got to do it for at least a month straight to see the results. So it's not something that you're just going to do for 3 days and then think you're just going to have all these amazing results. At least stick with it for 4 weeks, 1 month, and then I guarantee you'll see good progress. All right, so let's just go a quick overview. We did the bench press, push-ups, seated dumbbell press, did the lat raises. After that, you're going to do a dumbbell frontal raises. So you're going to do the same thing. Lat raises are on the side, frontal raises on the front. Same process, 10, increase weight every time. 2 more exercises for Monday. You got to do cable flies. So you're going to do 20 reps with the cable machines. Open up your arms wide, bring it in. The main thing on the cable flies is you're squeezing your chest once you get to the middle of your chest. So make sure you squeeze the muscle. 20 reps. And then after this, the last one is going to be a seated fly. So it's the machine that you're sitting down and then you bring in your chest in. So it's almost like a cable fly, but you're seated down. So This are the exercises for the chest and the shoulders. If you still have energy, you can still do a little bit of more core after this, but we want to really focus on these workouts. Each one, you're going to slowly increase the weight. So each exercise that I described, after each set, you're going to increase the weight. Let's go to day 2. Alright, so day 2 is going to be back and your biceps. Really, if you want to have a nice physique, especially your upper body physique, you really got to target your back. This is like a huge muscle on your upper body. One of the biggest muscles that you have are your back muscles. So if you increase those, the size of those, the look of those, your overall physique is going to look a lot better. So don't skip this day. Back and biceps. What you're going to do for the first thing when you come in, you're going to do a warm-up calisthenics. We're going to do pull-ups and push-ups. So I know when some people hear that, they're going to be like, I can't even do that many pull-ups. It's fine. So we're shooting for 10 and 10. So we're shooting for 10 pull-ups and 10 push-ups. But if you can't do 10, that's okay. Just do as many as you can. At least try to get 5, and then make sure you do 10 push-ups. I don't care if you got to do it on your knees. Try to get those 10 push-ups. It's going to be 3 to 4 sets, just like day 1. Alright, so 10 and 10. 10 pull-ups, 10 push-ups. Make sure your form is good. When you're doing push-ups, make sure you're going all the way down, all the way up. When you're doing pull-ups, same as push-ups. You want to go all the way down, stretch that back muscle, and then come up. Alright, so make sure you do not skip that warm-up. From there, we're doing a cable rear delt fly. So this is one of my favorite back exercises that I can do because it really targets all of your back. It's one of the most effective back exercises that you can do. I call it the X-Man because you're coming like an X right here and you're squeezing. So the most important thing is to actually control the weight. You're going to be using the cable. A lot of these exercises, you're going to be in the same position. So the good thing about this program on the back day is you don't have to move around a lot. You're going to be literally using the cable for most of it. So that one is 10 reps and you're going to do 3 to 4 sets. From there, you're doing a straight arm lat pull down. So all you got to do is switch the handle and go straight down. So straight arm lat pull down. You're going to keep those arms locked out. You're going to feel your lats stretching out and then control it and pull it down. So this one, you don't have to increase the weight every time, but if you want to challenge yourself, increase the weight just a little bit each time as long as you can control it. That one's going to be 10 reps too. All these exercises for the back and biceps day are going to be 10 reps. So just keep that in mind. And then from there, we are going to move over. We're going to use a barbell. So we're going to do a barbell bent over row. What this looks like, you're going to just be bent over, your head and your spine is going to be neutral, it's going to be straight, and you're just pulling your barbell up to your belly button. Right? So 10 reps, make sure you control the weight. Please control that weight. So after you knock out that barbell bent over row, you only got 2 more exercises that you need to do. So it's going to be back to back. Alright, so this next one is going to be a combo. So you're going to use a barbell again. You want to go a little bit lighter than you did the barbell bent over row. It's a lot to say, barbell bent over row. So you got to do a barbell curl to an upright row. So what this looks like is you're going to curl the bar, alright? Curl it for 10 reps. Then after that, you're going to switch your grip and then you're going to do an upright row. Try to get your elbows as high as you can. So after you do 10 reps, switch your grip, 10 upright row. So you're going to go back to back. So 10 curls with the barbell, 10 upright rows. Right? This is 3 to 4 sets. And then after this one, you're just going to do a seated lat pull down. So it's one of the most famous exercises that you can do in the gym. You see people sitting down. You're literally pulling the bar down to your chest. The main thing I say about this one is when you pull it, try to get it all the way to your chest. And when you get it down to your chest, squeeze your back. So a good way to explain this is, if you guys ever seen Superman, is when he opens up his chest like this. That's how it should feel. You should be opening up your chest and you should feel a pinch between your back. Right? So this is going to be 10 reps. This one you can increase the weight each time, 3 to 4 sets, and then your back and biceps day is a wrap. Alright, so this is a wrap of day 2. One more day, let's go to day 3. Alright, so the final day, you made it to day 3. Hopefully your arms are not falling off. Hopefully not killing yourself. But this day, it's going to be a little bit more intense than the other days, but it won't be so hard because it's going to be a high rep and it's going to be a lighter day as far as the amount of weight you're lifting. When you're going in, the first thing you're going to do is a tricep pull down, and you're going to do a push-up. I know it's a lot of push-ups in this program, but push-ups work out your over body. It works a lot of your muscles. It works your back, it works your arms, it works your biceps, your triceps. Really effective workout is a push-up that you can do anywhere. So let's go back into it. So a tricep pull down, push-ups, 15 reps. So we're going to use the cable, pull it down, 15 reps. After that, you're going right into the push-ups. So 3 to 4 sets, knock that out, 15 of each. And then you're going straight to the bench press, 3 to 4 sets. So if you normally do 45s on the bench press, you're trying to get 15 reps, so you might want to bring it down to 35s on each side, just so you can rep them out. All right, this is not about how much weight you're lifting. We're really just trying to get those reps out so we can sculpt and build. So a lot of people say they want to look toned. On this day, you're going to be working your body out so it can actually look toned and shredded. So if you want to look shredded, this day is going to be really effective for that. So bench press, 15 reps. After that, you're doing pull-ups, 15. I said this previously, if you cannot do 15 reps, it's 2 different options. You can just do as many as you can. You can do about 10 reps, you can do 5 reps, or you can use the assisted pull-up machine. A lot of gyms have this, when you can put your knees on there and it will assist you on coming up and down. Alright, so 15 reps, 3 to 4 sets on all of these. Alright, and then the rope pull down. If your gym doesn't have a rope pull down, you can just do the battle rope. Alright, but I want you to do 30 seconds. The rope pull down is literally you're pulling down the rope and it's working out your arms, working out your back, working at every muscle. You want to pull it as hard as you can for as long as you can for 30 seconds, and then you're going to take a 15-second break, go again, 3 to 4 sets. So really, if that rope pull down, y'all gonna feel that for sure. And then we got 3 more, only 3 more. So we're doing around the worlds, and then you got more push-ups. Around the worlds plus more push-ups. So around the worlds, you're starting with your hands down, and then you're bringing it over the top, touching the weight and coming back down, over the top, coming back down. So around the worlds, going to be 15, push-ups 15. At this point, you really should be feeling it. You should be almost at the end of your workout. Your arms should be feeling it. And then from there, we're just going to do a little bit of core, and then it's going to be a wrap. The core is just going to be really easy. You're going to do crunches, 100 reps, only one time. And then you're going to do a Russian twist. You're going to do 100 reps one time. So you can use weight when you're doing the crunches and the twists, or you can just do body weight. Either way is fine. Everything else is 3 to 4 sets except the core. So yeah, so that was a 3-day split. Let me know if you have any success with this. Comment below and let me know what is your biggest challenge with building your upper body strength. Do you have challenges with just staying consistent? Is it with lifting certain type of weight? Let me know below. I'm very interested. Let me know below also if any videos that you want to see. I will read your comments and actually make a video on that. I post new videos every Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe. Check me out. See you the next one. Peace.